Okay, so in last video we discussed about certain data types in Python like integer, float, string and boolean. So in today's class we will be learning about how to take input on runtime and printing the value of variable using print statement. So there are a couple of ways we will basically doing today how to print the value of a variable. For example, in order to take input runtime in Python, we use this input function, and whatever the message we want to be printed on the screen while taking input, we write between these parentheses. So for example, enter your uh, country's name. So if you wish to store it somewhere, so maybe a country or my country name, uh, my country name, uh, the name of variable must be always meaningful. For a good programmer, you need to uh, write the variable with meaningful name. You need to remember it. So enter the country's name, and what we now want to do is we want to print the entered value. So the entered name, or we can say your country name is, and then after printing this string we need to print the value of our input that we took on runtime. So we write my cn, right? So if I run this, you can see on runtime the program is asking from me to input the country's name. So for example, I write Pakistan, and then you can see the print statement. What does print statement do? Your country name is Pakistan. So actually there are a couple of ways you can do that. Another way to print the value of variable is using format string. So what I can do is my country name is, and then I use these curly brackets, uh, my country is beautiful, for example, beautiful. And after writing this complete message within these hyphens, now what I do is I write dot format, and then I write the name of the variable my cn. So if I run it, then you can see for example, if I write Brazil, then you can see my country name is Brazil. And you can now let us see this. My country name is, you can see my country name is, and within these curly brackets the contents of the variable are printed that we have passed in format mycn. So instead of now, if you wish to write the contents within a string, then you need to, you may you have an option, you can write this format function to do this work for you. And for example, if you have another input, for example, continent and continent, and in continent we say Asia, for example, and you want to print the name of the name of the continent as well. So I live in this continent. Okay, so I have to pass this as well, continent as well, continent. So the name of the continent variable. Okay, so let us print it again. So I am only taking the name of the country as input. So for example, if I write Iran and enter, you can see my country name is Iran and my country is beautiful. And on new line I write I live in Desh continent and I live in Asia continent. So I think you got the point that you can use curly bracket braces in between wherever you want to print the value of the variable, and the first variable need to be printed on in first curly braces, and the second variable should be printed on the second curly braces, and so on. You can input n number of uh, this type of variables in this format string as well. In other way, and the most simple way to print the variable to its position is using f string. Now what all you need to do is in print write f, and then within this f you need to print whatever the value you want to print. For example, my country is, and then the name of the variable my cn, and this country is in uh, this continent, right, and full stop. Okay, so I think you got the point. Now let us run the program once. Yeah, so the name of the country this time I want to write is, for example, Bangladesh, and because we are not taking continent as runtime input, so only we are taking country as input. So the name of the country will be printed as Asia, so I took Bangladesh as input. Now you can see, let's check the third input. My country name is Bangladesh. You can see my country name is Bangladesh. Let me comment this out, then we can see it will be visible clearly that what this f string is doing. So let's run it again. So the country name, for example, Pakistan, and so my country is, you can see my country is, and then the name of the variable is in within and these curly braces. So instead of my cn, it is printed Pakistan, because we passed Pakistan as runtime input, and then this country is in the name of the continent variable. The continent variable contains Asia, so Asia is printed. So I hope you got the point.